Alright guys, we are in a Mercedes-Benz C-Class right now, and I'm going to show you a little problem that we're having with the door locks on the rear of this vehicle. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug in my diagnostic tool here, and we'll get to this in a second. But what I'll show you, I'll just leave that there, take the key out, and it relates to the locking of the doors. You can see that one there, it's locked, and the rear as well, that's locked. I'm coming around this side, that's unlocked, and that is unlocked as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out the car and I'm going to attempt to lock the car, and then we'll see what happens with the locks, and then we'll come back in the car and I'll tell you about it. Right, so I'm going to lock the car now. It's gone down, the mirrors have gone in. This one here is unlocked. Right through there, that one's locked, and that one's locked as well. So basically it's not locking that particular door. So what happens is when it's locked, anybody can just still open this door. However, when I lock it like that, it won't lock, it won't open, sorry. When I unlock this door, that one stays locked. So there is an obvious issue with the locks on this door, on this car should I say, and what I'm going to do is I've got the the iCarsoft i980 kit here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can diagnose a fault with this, because it does cover the door electronics in this vehicle. So it's a C-Class, it's a diesel engine, right hand steering. Incidentally, this kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. So if we scroll down, we want to go to, where do I need to be? I'll know when I see it. Here we go, door control module. That's rear left and that's rear right. So door control module, read fault memory, and it's telling us 98B111. The output for the central locking motor has a malfunction. There is a short circuit to ground. Now this ties in with what I've already read online, and it is that the whole of the rear lock for this particular door actually needs to be replaced. So this is what's happening on the rear right hand door. If it was happening on, say, the rear left or the front right, front left, it would be giving us probably a different code, but possibly the same sort of description there. So that basically tells us that we need to go ahead and remove and replace the motor for the rear right hand door. Now I'll probably give it a go myself. I'll probably try and make a video on as well, so I hope this helps. But this is the i980 kit, which is going to help you actually diagnose the fault and tell you where the problem is. So it's relating to the motor in the rear right hand door. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.